it is the late morning of April 8th, 2024.
11:40.
Yeah, which is exactly what we're waiting for. What I've been waiting for 4 years. Never thought the day would actually come. Anyway, so I really want to see this eclipse. Don't want to be left in the clouds. I think it's calling for it to be a little bit overcast and cool, but right now it's pretty sunny. So you can say that. Stay away, clouds. So anyway, um, we got this sheet of paper, which is 2024 solar eclipse, which is road closures and travel information. And Kingston has been named one of the best places in Ontario to view the eclipse, with the potential for 70,000 to 500,000 for 500,000 people visiting our community for the event. And traffic, by the way, that's one of the big talks today. It's going to be a disaster, especially in Niagara Falls. So I would suggest just trying to beat the traffic. If you aren't there right now, why even bother? You just need to beat out the traffic. Are you seeing the warning signs everywhere? They're on the highway everywhere when we were going. Here's this other sheet of paper. Might be paper. Solar eclipse April 8th, 2024. And check out the eclipse timing events and more. Visit kingston.ca eclipse 2024. Meh. But the real talk today, Eclipse Smart. I got this book with my eclipse glasses, and it's by Fred and Patricia Aspenak. And Fred Aspenak has seen, there's someone who has seen 56 just solar eclipses in general. But he is known as Mr. Eclipse, and his wife has experienced 19 total solar eclipses. And so this one will go all the way through North America. In the United States, the location with the maximum duration of totality will be Southwest Texas, with totality lasting as long as 4 minutes and 26 seconds. And 2024 total solar eclipse had a dress rehearsal on October 14th, 2023, just 6 months before today. An annular solar eclipse was visible from Oregon, California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Also went through Central and South America. And the average speed of the moon's shadow as it crosses the Earth is about 2,000 miles an hour. That's 3.5 times faster than a jet airliner. And it takes just 96 minutes, which is the equivalent of 1 hour and 36 minutes for the moon's shadow to cross Mexico, the United States, and Canada. So yeah, those are some fun facts. Any other fun facts I probably already shared with you. Yeah, weather is probably going to be the biggest problem. It's the one and only thing that can ruin your chance if you're in the path of totality. So, just check your forecast, make sure that's sunny, and make sure that you got good weather coming your way, and you should be able to experience what you've been waiting for. Millions of reservations for hotels are already taking place. Heck, we're part of this. If the weather doesn't cooperate, you gotta be prepared to chase the eclipse. You probably won't know if you picked a good spot weather-wise until the day before, which was yesterday. So if you didn't check yesterday, why are you doing it now? Go check now. Why are you even watching this then? Have your car packed with food, water, sunscreen, a full tank of gas, and a map of the path with local times indicated. This book is literally that. But just hopefully you guys can get a clearer sky to witness this once in a lifetime event. And these are the two paths for the annular eclipse of October 14th, 2023 and April 8th, 2024 right here. They cross paths in San Antonio, it would seem. So yeah, that's very interesting. Carbondale, Illinois is where the 2017 path and this path will cross. Very interesting that I can get 2 scoops of total eclipse. But here's a fun fact: the moon is actually moving away from the Earth. So in like a billion years, maybe 500 million years to a billion, whatever creatures live here at that time will witness Earth's very last total solar eclipse, because the moon is moving like an inch away from Earth every year. 1 inch per year. So yeah. And a total eclipse occurs at any given place on Earth about once every 375 years on average, but some places go more than 1,000 years between total eclipses. And also, for the 2017 eclipse, it was one of the most watched events in U.S. history. This will be dethroning every eclipse, because this is probably going to be the most watched event in history with how many people live in the path of the population. 32 million people, and many more to chase. Hopkinsville, Kentucky in 2017 had the longest duration of totality, lasting 2 minutes and 40.2 seconds. And in 2017, 3 of the top 5 searches were related to the eclipse, including how to get solar eclipse glasses. And approximately 216 million people watched that. And I think that it's going to be even more this year. But yeah, it's visible. The eclipse is visible through the total phase is visible through 15 U.S. states. I'm just going to give a few examples: Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. So yeah, very interesting. But yeah, North Dakota instead of South Dakota is what gets August 25th, 2044. So yeah, you gotta be lucky. Just next time, if you miss this one, make sure you remember Montana and parts of North Dakota. So, yeah. And yeah, this is going to be an awesome event that no one should miss out on. I've been waiting for this for so long. Been researching it since December 2019. So I really gotta see this. And also, here's one other fun fact. In 1973, scientists boarded a Concorde supersonic jet and flew at 1,250 miles per hour to stay inside the moon's shadow during an eclipse over Africa. In doing so, they extended the duration of totality to 74 minutes, 10 times longer than could ever be experienced on the Earth's surface. Which is very interesting. And eclipses were once seen as bad omens, but now they are viewed as just natural stuff in the sky. In which case they are, actually. Alright, so I'll be recording the actual total eclipse, so don't forget to tune into that. I am out for only a few hours because I will be recording the eclipse when it goes total. See ya.